My name is Rob Harrell. I'm the Vice President of DocuSketch Strategic Accounts. We are so happy to come out to events like this for the RIA, this regional conference here in Phoenix, Arizona. ATI, Jeff Moore, unbelievable job with putting everything on. The biggest reason for coming to these events is just the caliber of networking and the caliber of people that you can meet. The speakers today were absolutely unbelievable. We had a gentleman today in the industry less than 10 years, and we were talking about how to get better in the industry, working around and surrounded by industry experts. There's no better way than doing it at an RIA regional event.
Hi, I'm Mandy Ruiz with JOC Analytics. I'm Head of Business Development and Strategy. It has been an amazing experience to be here with all the restorers and hear all of the amazing things that's going on in the industry and how the RIA is advocating for restorers.
Hey, I'm Leighton Healy, the CEO at Know How. Welcome to the RIA AGA event in Phoenix. It was a great event. Mission of the RIA, educate, advocate, and elevate. We learned about the new advocate role in the insurance function with Mark Springer, very exciting. And then elevate, the ability for everyone to remember that we're in it together. If you're considering whether you want to be able to get plugged into the industry, you can come to these smaller intimate events and get to chat with industry leaders one-on-one in a more relaxed setting, and to be able to really figure out how you're going to grow your business, work together, and ultimately succeed.
It was a great day today here at the RIA conference. Really learned some good things from the speakers. We really appreciate RIA and what a value it brings to us as a company with Titan Restoration, having everybody together, working together to make sure we protect ourselves as an industry.
Hi, I'm Alexis Snyder from Thomasville Restoration. I'm head of brand and culture for the organization. I am in sunny, beautiful Arizona because I was so excited for the opportunity to come out to RIA's networking event. The value that this event holds for an organization is so important. It's an opportunity for me to connect with like-minded individuals, like-minded restorers within the organization, and then it's a chance for me to see what the organization is doing for me. It's a chance for me to see that they are advocating on my behalf on the state and national level. They're giving this industry a voice. I'm so grateful to be here. I'm so excited because Thomasville Restoration is actually going to be hosting November 12th in Baltimore. We hope to see you there.
Howdy y'all, Andy McCabe here. Hey, this was yet another great AGA networking event put on by the RIA. This is a great place to be if you're in restoration. I got to share a little bit. I was talking about restoration collections and giving you guys guidance on and how you can get better at AR. But then Ed Cross and everyone else really hit it out of the park today. If you're not a member of the RIA, you really need to be. You're missing out. And if you are, you need to show up at the next one. I need to see you in Florida for the convention, but I need to see you at the next RIA AGA networking event, because this is where we really get business done.